In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. This is a great tool to engage with your audience and keep them updated with your latest news or products. So let's dive right into it and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix website editor, simply log into your Wix account and access the editor. This is where we will be making all the necessary changes to set up your newsletter. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time. The interface is quite user-friendly, with all the features neatly organized to your left. Now, look for the option titled Add Elements and give it a click. This section is your gateway to a variety of features you can add to your site, and it's the stepping stone to our newsletter feature. As you scroll through the options, go ahead and click on Interactive. This is where you will find elements that will engage and capture the attention of your visitors. Within the interactive section, you'll see the option for light boxes. Click on that. Light boxes in Wix are essentially pop-ups that can serve various purposes, including subscribing to a newsletter. This choice allows your newsletter sign-up form to appear in a way that catches the eye of visitors without being intrusive. Navigate your way to the subscribe section within the lightboxes. This is where you'll add a subscribe lightbox to your site, enabling visitors to seamlessly join your mailing list. Choose any layout that appeals to you, keeping in mind your website's design and aesthetic. Wix offers various stylish templates that can be tailored to fit your specific needs and the vibe of your site. Once you've selected your layout, it's important to manage your lightboxes effectively. Do this by clicking on Manage Lightboxes. Here you can customize the settings and behavior of your lightbox, ensuring it functions in line with your goals for the site. To further personalize when and how the lightbox appears to visitors, you'll want to set triggers. Simply click on Set Triggers and select your desired options. This could be setting the lightbox to appear after a set time or based on user interaction, making it engaging and relevant. Next, head over to Settings. This is crucial as it gives you control over the specifics of your Lightbox subscription form. Each detail you adjust here can enhance the user experience significantly. Then adjust your layout. This allows you to tweak how the elements are arranged in your Lightbox, potentially improving user interaction. After that, click on Design. Here you can fine-tune the visual aspects such as colors and fonts, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. Finally, explore animations and effects to add that final touch of personality. Here, you can apply animations that make your lightbox more dynamic and appealing. Once you've completed these steps, your newsletter sign-up form will be all set to capture the interest of visitors effectively on your Wix site.